Welcome back. Legal continue to mount for Twitter after FIRs were registered against media giant. 2 FIRs for shorted political map of India, 1 FIR over inciting communal tensions, and 1 POCSO case after receiving a complaint from the NCPCR over possible exploitation of children on Twitter by the Delhi Police Cyber Cell. Now the National Commission for Women a week to Twitter to remove the pornography from its platform. To the Delhi Police Commissioner to investigate the matter to the POCSO case by issuing asserting that Twitter has policy for child exploitation.
कई शिकायतें पुलिस को भी करवा रहे थे, उसके बाद किस तरह से दर्ज हुआ है इसके बाद
हमारे पास प्राप्त हो रही थी कि और ट्विटर पे कानून का उल्लंघन है, जिसमें किसी बच्चे का फोटो और बच्चे को रेप थ्रेट्स दिए विरुद्ध ट्विटर ने कोई नहीं की जानकारी भी हम इसी प्रकार की धारा 11 उल्लंघन भी ट्विटर पे लगातार हो रहा है। हमने दिल्ली पुलिस को FIR
क्षेत्रों के लोगों ने टाइम में जाकर के रिपोर्ट डाली थी, जिसको अधिकारियों ने कर विवेचना कर धारा 2 अपराध
the woes of they have seen multiple are only the now even this person has been named in one of the launched the contention enforcement agency you fail to complete information asks you to appoint now that of your platform where does it ask as to how this was allowed or Twitter. That is the problem are facing, and the government on its part are all steps to content and pornography. Child their platform has not satisfied them. Police, Delhi police, both want to put officials. High Court has MD now, and it's wait and watch. The Parliament, I so asking 8 hours taking complying with India regulations.
Before we move on, just a quick, ladies and gentlemen, to BharatNet implement public-private partnership in 6 to all villages, a viability support 14,041 approved for implementing PPE model states. That means it is and laying down fiber net, which is big. As there is a debate and role or not, it's high time is also regulated. External affairs to Subramaniam Jaishankar initiated around. Jaishankar said that democratic was to ask for more responsibility from the technology. He said that the is not just important for well, Jaishankar say factors like response cannot be carpet just because freedom of expression.
Actually, right now, I would say big debate going on in different, including vigorous and larger, which is this technology. I think nobody. These are forces of us directions of great benefit. new vistas.
Affairs editor. So, Dr. taking this big tech, saying that everybody.
In fact, in looking what is current social media now, clearly said that the fact as advances as well as however that the source has influence a lot and should be accountability is what he now Tony Blair mentioned that technology are or the, but that is contradictory because big tech influence it is imperative that responsibility and accountability. So this is context of the current is Twitter. I think there question on timing apart reflected in the BJP fight is remains that there on tech as the sphere.
True, and there are persons saying responsibility and tech to start dictating and also challenge not just non-state. So we Subramaniam Jaishankar. That's this edition of The Nation at 5. Right now.